Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video that is a little bit different. It's kind of an unboxing, but it's an unboxing with kind of a little spin on it because if you watched my last video, then you know that I just recently purchased this baby right here, my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 Bandolier. I picked her up last Friday. And the reason that I purchased this bag on Friday was because just 2 days prior on Wednesday, I had ordered this bag online, but in the monogram print. And I just had a really bad niggling feeling that something was going to go wrong. I was supposed to get next day delivery, and I knew for some reason that that was not going to happen. I was supposed to get it on Friday, and I had a feeling it wasn't going to happen. And then I was supposed to get the monogram bag, and I just had a feeling. I can't put my finger on it. I just had a feeling something was going to go wrong. And so when they sent me the email saying that I wasn't going to get the bag I ordered online until Monday, I kind of freaked out. Because I thought, oh my gosh, if something's wrong with it and I don't get it until Monday, I won't be able to return it until after Christmas, and they might be out of Speedies at that time because they do sell out of their Speedies and Neverfulls at Christmas time. So I was kind of like, okay, I'm just going to go Friday with my son to the Domain in Austin and pick out a Speedy, and when the other one shows up on Monday, I'm going to return it. Well, it showed up yesterday, and I just wanted to make this video so everyone doesn't look at me like you're so ridiculous, because let me show you exactly what showed up. So this is the box. This is exactly how the ribbon came, like this. Now mind you, I haven't done anything to this bag. I haven't altered it in any way. All I did was slide this bow off. This is how it came. Look, it's all gappy. I've never seen a box package like this. And the bow wasn't even on the front. It was like somewhere around. It just looked like crap when I got it. I was like, okay, whatever. It's just the box. So let's go ahead and take the ribbon off the box and get to the real matter here. So far so good, right? Everything's looking in order. Just wait. This is just proof that I'm not a crazy person who is paranoid for no reason. Usually when I get these feelings, there's a reason. I have this sick sense of intuition, and I hate that it's right about 95% of the time. So here we go. You ready? Oh, so far so good, right? Yeah. Now, mind you, I haven't done anything to this bag. This is exactly how it came, just like this. What the F? What is this? What are these? Yeah, okay, so we'll open the bag up. I have to make sure I don't get any lipstick or anything on it because this bitch is going back tomorrow. And I even thought to myself, maybe I should open it because maybe it's going to be prettier or it's going to look better. And when I see the monogram print, I'm just going to fall in love and want it. Hell no. No, no, no. Oh, I can't. This is how it came. It came just like this. Okay. Who the hell packaged this? Are they blind? Because these straps don't go with this bag. And this is exactly how it came. It didn't come put together like it normally does. It came just like this, attached to this end D-ring here. It was right there on the outside of the bag. So I could understand this mistake happening had they been inside a dust bag and they were placed inside of the purse. And I could understand if somebody just grabbed the wrong straps and put them in here. But they're hanging on the outside of the freaking bag. I still cannot get over how this happened. What in God's name? So there you have it. This is proof that I'm not a paranoid crazy person. I knew something was going to show up and not be right with this bag. Here's the other thing. Okay, so this bag that I purchased on the Friday before, just what, 4 days ago? Let's see, today's Tuesday. Monday, Sunday, Saturday. Yeah, 4 days ago. This one's perfect. It's made in France. Just everything about it's perfect and it's beautiful. I love the bag. I was able to look it over, inspect it. Everything with this bag is amazing. This bag, however, I mean, it looks like it's fine. But then you start looking at it and, okay, so the side straps are fine too, for the most part. This one has a little bit of wrinkling up at the top. I don't know if you can really see that. It's kind of hard because my lights are washing it out, but it has some wrinkling or some rippling up here. Can't really see. Oh, there you go. So that one does have some rippling on it. I don't know about this one. Yeah, this one kind of does too, up at the top. There you go. See it? How it's wrinkled already? I just wonder if someone returned this bag, or if it just gets like that from them handling it or whatever. I don't know what causes the ripples to happen on these straps down here. But yeah, so then, you know, it's a made in the USA bag, which is fine. I mean, you know, it doesn't have to be made in the USA. It's just, to me, it's an added plus. But, you know, this one was made in the USA. I'm sorry, I'm not taking these straps off because I want them to see exactly how this crap showed up to me. Exactly how. And so when you look on the inside of the bag, it has the lock and the keys inside of here. But as I was looking at the interior of this bag, nowhere in here does it have a tag saying where it's made. Like, it doesn't say made in the USA. It doesn't say made in France, made in Spain. It doesn't say made in China or in Uruguay. It says nowhere. It's nowhere on the inside of this bag to be found. There is not a cloth tag hanging on the inside. It's just nowhere. I lifted up the pouch to see if it's under here. It's not. The only indication of where it was made is right here where it says SD. So that tells me it was made in San Dimas, California. But yeah, apart from that, there is nothing anywhere that tells you it is made, you know, in the United States. And then the inside of this pocket, I don't know, it has nothing. It has literally nothing. And then also this zipper tab on the inside already appears to be tarnishing. So, I don't know. I wasn't going to open the box at all when it arrived because I didn't want to make myself feel like, oh, did I make a mistake? Should I keep this one and return the other one? I know myself. I know I'm very wishy-washy. And I wasn't going to open it at all because I wasn't going to give myself the option of looking this one over and thinking about, should I keep this one and return that one or whatever. So, but I was just dying to know if I was right about my intuition that something was going to be wrong with this bag. So I opened it, and sure enough, look, there's definitely something wrong. Now, my question is, what if somebody had been purchasing this bag for someone as a gift? Didn't show up until Christmas Eve because they didn't even get it sent on time. And then it shows up with this garbage. I mean, seriously? So I was not going to, I wanted to do a video and I had to do it today because I'm returning it tomorrow to Louis Vuitton. And but you know, I did call customer or client services, and even though I had already purchased a bag, and even though I already had you know, decided I was going to keep this one and return this one anyway, just the fact that it showed up like this with these straps, I just couldn't let that go. So I called client services. I let them know all about it. You know, I told them, you know, not only did you not get my bag to me on time and you blamed UPS for it, but then you send me a bag that has the wrong bandolier with it. So, you know, what good is that with this bag? And so I also made sure that they contacted the location where I'm returning it tomorrow, because I don't want to show up with this bag and these straps and then they think, what kind of shady crap are you trying to pull, girl? This isn't the strap that goes with this bag. Yeah, I know that. That's why I'm returning it. So yeah, so this is the bag. I went ahead and flat packed it again. I'm going to stick it back inside its little dust bag. And you know, chances are there's probably a Damier Ebene bag floating around out there that got delivered to someone that has a Vachetta bandolier. So yeah, so that will be the last time I ever order something online from Louis Vuitton. I will never make that mistake again. I mean, this is like their third strike. You would think that by the second time they did that, I would have been done, because with the prices that they charge, I'm sorry, but their quality control in every area needs some major overhauling. But apparently I'm a glutton for punishment, because I went ahead and ordered it online again. And then once again, this is what happens. I get a product that has mismatched handles, doesn't even go with this bag. So will not be making that mistake ever again from now on. If I purchase any more Louis Vuitton bags, it will be in person at the Domain. You know, I've had nothing but terrible luck with online with the Louis Vuitton online ordering. Every time I get something, I have to return it. I have been able to keep one piece out of all the ones I've ordered, one piece that I bought online. One. And that was my key pouch, my zippered key pouch. But, I mean, how can you really screw that up? It's so small. But, yeah, so apart from that, everything has been a dud, and I've had to return it or exchange it. So this one, too, is going back. And I just wanted to do this video for you guys, because I just think that if you are ordering from them and you're in a pinch, you know, you're rushed for time, definitely keep this video in mind, because you could very well, number one, not get your item in time. Number two, get an item that is less than perfect. So, and I'm sorry, I know these are not the prices of Chanel bags, but they're still over $1,000, and this is absolute nonsense. It's ridiculous. There is no reason that this should be taking place. There's no reason I should have gotten this purse with these straps. So the girl gave me an email address for me to email a picture of this to them, and she even put me on hold and said something to her shift manager, because it was just so incredulous that this would happen. I mean, clearly you can see what you're putting on this bag, and they still put it on here. So, yeah, he was very, very, very interested in seeing what it looked like. And also, from what she told me, they're not supposed to send it like this. This is supposed to be assembled and kind of rolled up and placed inside of this bag. And it wasn't. So, I don't know. I really have no I'm not going to say I have no words, because I have plenty of words, but I just don't, I don't understand how this could have happened. So I sent an email to them. She sent an email to the Louis Vuitton location at the Domain, letting them know that I'm going to be returning this bag, and that it does have the wrong strap, because that's what they sent it with. And so, yeah. I just wanted to share this video with you. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I still had a fabulous Christmas, because even though that came the way it did, luckily I had the foresight to go ahead and go pick this baby up, and she is absolutely perfect and stunning. I could not be more in love with this bag. As a matter of fact, I'm a little concerned for my other Louis Vuittons because I don't really know how much use they're going to get after getting this one. This bag is just, I love it. It's so nice. I've been using it every day since I got it. It's just, it's perfect and I love it. And I'm so glad that I decided to go with the Damier Ebene print because I just think it's so striking and stunning. And like you can just change it and put little colorful, accessories on it, so you can use it year round. You can put a pastel pink one on here or something fun, whatever. So I have a bunch of different little ornamental things to put on my bags and that I got from Amazon and Michael Kors and whatnot. And I just put this one on there because I thought it matched my sweater today. Anyway, so I hope you all had a Merry Christmas. I had a great Christmas with my family, and it was a great, great day. So, hope you enjoyed this video and got a good laugh out of this because I had to laugh about it because if not, I'm at a loss for words about this. I just don't know what else to say. So anyway, I will let you know how things go when I return it, and I will shortly, maybe in a couple of weeks or so, do a what's in my bag and a, kind of a first impressions on this one, which you kind of already know, but I love it. So anyway, hope you have a happy new year, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever I do post a new video, you will be notified. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please comment down below if you've had anything ridiculous like this happen to you. I would love to hear your stories, or if you have a video, please link it in the comments down below because I would love to watch it. So anyway, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.